Okay, so we are on question 4 part B. So the student's taking some photographs, so we are here now. The photographs are also transmitted across a network to cloud storage. A device on the network forwards the data to its correct destination. State the name of this device. So we're looking for the name of the device that on a network looks at the packets when you are sending data and then forwards the packets along the way where they should be going, usually to another router until they get to the correct destination, and that is indeed a router. So that's the name of the device. Describe what is meant by cloud storage. So cloud storage is where data is stored on a server, which is a computer which is in a different location generally to where you are. It could be in a completely different country. And these are usually in data centers. So a data center is a collection of these servers. So usually in data center. So data is stored on a server, usually in a data center. And we can say that the data in the cloud storage can be accessed from any location. So this is the sort of one of the advantages, as long as have a connection to the network. I'm going to put e.g. internet. So because in the question it says they're transmitted across a network to cloud storage, it doesn't actually say internet. So I'm just using that as my example. So I'm saying data is stored on a server, usually in a data center. Data in cloud storage can be accessed from any location as long as you have a connection to the network. They haven't said it's, but it would be on the internet. Let's look at the mark scheme for that. So a data is stored on a server, usually in a data center. So a data center is a collection of servers. So, and we've said server, so I'm happy with that. Data to store the data in a remote location allows the data to be accessed remotely. So we've said that data in cloud storage can be accessed from any location as long as you have connection to the network. So we've said that, and we've also mentioned we put e.g. internet. They're normally accessed using an internet connection. So happy with that. Let's look at the last bit here. Give one disadvantage for storing the photographs in cloud storage instead of storing them locally. So if they're in the cloud, they're not on your device, and the only way to access them if they're not on your device would be via, for example, usually an internet connection. If you don't have an internet connection, you're not going to be able to access them. And if you're anything like me, your phone runs out of storage very quickly, and then Google will tell you that you need to pay for some more storage, so you're paying each month as well. So any one of those will do. We'll look at the mark scheme in a sec. So one disadvantage, so we need to say, so if you do not have an internet connection, you will not access the photos. So we've got maybe less secure because you're not responsible for the security, you're relying on a third party. Generally there are lots of laws and things that make it secure. May lose access to them if the internet connection is not available, so we've said that. Reliant on a third party for maintaining them, again that's similar to the first bullet point. And then the other one that I mentioned, could incur an extra fee or cost. So you can sort of relate personal experience to this question. Right, thank you very much. Let's stop this one, on to the next.